In the last lecture, we explored the historical evolution of the global economy, tracing its roots from the age of exploration to the rise of emerging economies. Today, we will dive into the major theoretical perspectives that help us make sense of the complex world of international political economy. Realism. Realism views the world as a competitive arena where states are the primary actors, driven by self-interest and the pursuit of power. Realists argue that international relations are inherently conflictual and that cooperation is difficult to achieve. They believe that economic interactions are often zero-sum games, where one state's gain comes at the expense of another. In the context of IPE, realists focus on how states use economic tools to achieve their political goals. They emphasize the importance of relative gains, where states are concerned not only with their own economic well-being, but also with how they fare compared to their rivals. Realists are often skeptical of international institutions, viewing them as tools that powerful states use to advance their interests. They also tend to be more supportive of protectionist trade policies, believing that states should prioritize their own economic security over the benefits of free trade. Liberalism. In contrast to realism, liberalism views the world as a potentially cooperative arena where states and other actors can benefit from mutual exchange. Liberals believe that international relations can be positive-sum games where cooperation can lead to mutual gains for all parties involved. In IPE, liberals focus on the role of markets and free trade in promoting economic growth and prosperity. They argue that open markets allow countries to specialize in the production of goods and services that they are most efficient at producing, leading to increased efficiency and higher overall welfare. Liberals tend to be more supportive of international institutions, believing that they can facilitate cooperation and mitigate conflict. They also generally advocate for free trade policies, believing that they lead to greater economic efficiency and overall benefits for consumers. Marxism. Marxism offers a critical perspective on the global economy, focusing on the inherent contradictions of capitalism and the unequal distribution of wealth and power. Marxists argue that the global economy is characterized by exploitation, where capitalists extract surplus value from workers to maximize their profits. In IPE, Marxists emphasize the role of class conflict and the unequal relationship between developed and developing countries. They argue that the global capitalist system is designed to benefit the wealthy elite at the expense of working class and the poor. Marxists are often critical of international institutions, viewing them as tools that perpetuate global inequality. They also tend to be skeptical of free trade policies, arguing that they benefit multinational corporations and wealthy countries at the expense of workers and developing countries. In conclusion, these three theoretical perspectives offer different lenses through which we can analyze the complex world of international political economy. While each has its strengths and weaknesses, they all provide valuable insights into the forces that shape the global economy and the challenges we face in the 21st century. In the upcoming lectures, we will apply these theoretical perspectives to various IPE issues such as trade, finance, development, and globalization.